So as a prerequisite, the editor that we are using is a Eclipse. In Eclipse editor, we'll write our code, everything. So for that, as a prerequisite, we must have Java in our mission. Okay. So here, in order to download Java from your search browser, you just type Java JDK download.
Um,
Yeah.
Navya, I think I already have Eclipse IDE for Java developers on my
Is it?
laptop. This
Can you just
one.
share your screen so that I help you?
Yeah, would you like to see? I'm not sure
Yeah.
if I have the
Let's check.
present. Uh, okay, share. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Infinity
Okay.
mirror. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I
Okay,
can see.
so in the
Just open.
bottom, yeah, over here, just see
Yeah. Click
Eclipse
on that.
ID. I'll click on this.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Click on launch.
Use this as a default and do not ask.
Don't take that. Just uncheck.
No. Okay.
Click on launch.
Launch. Hmm.
See down. Can you see two Eclipse icons? Place
Yeah.
your cursor. Second one. Yeah. Yes.
One is
Click on
this and this
the
one.
second one. No. No. Second one.
This one.
Yes. Click on that.
Yeah, I did.
Maximize this window.
It's not letting me proceed unless I
And
select any
close
of these two options.
close that Defender window. Just close.
Cancel.
Click on cancel.
Okay.
Yeah. Now
I
maximize.
maximized it.
Okay. Click on file. So just go to your search. Whether I'll just check whether Java is installed.
This
Go to
search.
search and open. Yeah. Not in Eclipse. Down in your
Okay.
taskbar. Just
Okay.
type
Okay.
CMD. Open command prompt.
What do I type?
CMD.
Okay. CMD. Command prompt. CMD.
Enter. Yeah. Open
Oh,
that.
yeah, I did. Command prompt.
Okay. Type Java space hyphen version. VERSION.
Enter.
Enter. Yeah. Java is version 22.0. Okay, it is installed. Okay. I think then let's start with coding, right?
So is it installed?
Yeah, it is installed. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So that saved our time. Okay. So I still be on the screen?
Oh, no, you can stop sharing.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
So Java is one of the easiest language if you start studying in coding. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So here first is if we want to write any code or anything in our Eclipse, the first step is we have to create a project. So inside this project, again, it's like folders. So if you have any data or any paper, means you'll store that in your bag in a file like that, right? So
Yeah.
same here also in Eclipse, we have to do the same.